process of temporal bone, and both the temporal of zygomatic and zygomatic of temporal forming an arch, which is called zygomatic arch. What is the importance of this zygomatic arch? The space deep to the zygomatic arch connects. The region above the zygomatic arch is called temporal fossa. It contains the tymon, the H-shaped suture. This is the temporal fossa above the zygomatic arch. What are the boundaries of the temporal fossa? طلاب بس لا تحكون بس أنا من تحكي انتبه عليك. To continue with a crest that is above the mastoid process of temporal bone. This process is called mastoid process. This crest, which is this one, could be called supramastoid crest because it is above mastoid process, which is this one. Or it could be called suprameatal crest because it is above the auditory meatus. This is the external auditory meatus. So this is a suprameatal crest. Either it is above the mastoid, and so it's called supramastoid, or suprameatal crest that is in continuity with the inferior temporal line. You know, the temporal line begins at this border of the frontal and zygomatic bone, but when the temporal line crosses the coronal suture, it forms superior temporal line and inferior temporal line. The inferior temporal line continues downward and then forward with the suprameatal crest. Thereafter, the temporal fossa is bounded inferiorly by the zygomatic arch. So you can see that the temporal fossa containing the tymon is bounded